Server acting up? You need to find those logs. Fast. On modern Linux systems running systemd, logs are stored in a binary journal. The journalctl command is your interface to that journal, letting you query, filter, and follow log entries from any service on the system. To jump straight to the most recent entries, use journalctl E. That flag moves you to the end of the journal. For a specific count, journalctl N50 shows the last 50 lines. And for time-based filtering, journalctl.since or .since 1 hour ago narrows down the output to a recent window. When you need to watch logs as they stream in, use journalctl F. This works just like tail, F but for the entire system journal. Perfect for watching a service behave during a live deployment or active debugging session. To focus on a specific service, add the U flag. Like journalctl Unix to see only Linux logs. Combine it with E or men for a quick view of recent activity. You can also filter by severity using P. Journalctl P error shows only error level and above, cutting out all the noise. Master these flags, E, N, F, U, and P, and you can pinpoint any log entry on any Linux server in seconds, like unfollow for more Linux interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.